Praise be the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. Alimekezedwe Yesu Kristo. Msifu Yesu Kristo. My name is Brother Micah Simuchimba, coming from Archdiocese of Lusaka, Zambia. I am in the Passionists Congregation, which I joined in 2016. And I did my post-trans formation in Zambia, Chibombo. I did my philosophical studies in Lusaka, St. Bonaventure University, and I proceeded to the novitiate, which is in Tanzania, where I proceeded with my theological studies. And currently I'm doing my pastoral work in Lusaka Archdiocese at St. Mark the Evangelist Parish in Shalala. I'm also assisting in Formation House, where we have the philosophy students. Currently, I'm preparing for my final vows, which will take place on 12th of February 2026. God willingly, will be conferred to the sacrament of Holy Orders in the ministry of Diaconate. My journey so far for my calling, which I'm still continuing discerning, it has been so inspiring, relying solely on the prayers, the help from the people of goodwill, and challenges, as we know they are all over aspect of life. We find them marriage life, single life, religious life, everywhere challenges are there. But these challenges, they are able to be defeated with the notion of prayer. My inspiration to join the religious life, it has been that of responding to the call of God, to evangelize to the four corners of the world. And this calling, which may be a religious calling, a diocesan calling, it is not a one-day calling, it is an ongoing calling. And being an ongoing calling, it involves a radical response. And this response, it involves the attachment to the life of Jesus Christ, life of prayer. So all in all, we still appeal, encourage those who may want to join religious life, particularly in the Passionist life. You can still find us on our website. You can get in touch with us, and those people responsible for the vocations will positively respond to them. So I kindly continue appealing for your prayers to journey with us as we continue making our preparation for final profession, and God willingly for the ordination of Diaconate. We thank you, and we continue praying for you as you continue also praying for us in our day-to-day life, as we continue responding to this divine vocation, to this divine calling, that God may accomplish the good work which has started in us. Thank you very much. Asanteni sana. Ziko mokwambiri. Karibu.